nigo chakurwa asensemeria ye bunge ye senate litkoria rero nigo umugavana wa county ya Kisii Simba Arati nyakobokana nabo si obwe bunge senate mninchiremo yugokwanira alia agenda twanikigwa igoro yobobagi nabo gotumaki ochibesa ase county ya Kisii okwana chinga kecho nigo egati ye committee yo ye bunge senate yabere kwanira amange aliga twanikigwa ase county ya Kisii chinga kibogo Simba Arati anyora chinga chinkongu koirendia amabolio igoro yobutumiki nabo igobobagi ochibesa ase county.
What the document is saying. Should we believe the document or the governor's oral presentation?
Chairman, that's my signature and that's the document I believe is very...
Is what this document saying correct?
I believe so, Chair.
My friend, is what this document saying correct?
Yes, Chair.
Governor, you may want to retract because the subject matter specialist has a different version from what you are giving the committee.
Chairman, given that he just signed that people submitted the documents, they're here. And I want to confirm because they have been. And I'm happy that you're bringing up that document. Mr. Nyandanyi, when did you submit the documents?
With evidence.
And who is Mr. Nyandanyi?
The head of accounts. Through my governor. We usually submit by 30th of September.
Usually.
But we don't have the evidence here with us because we didn't know.
Then what you're saying is not useful. Governor, proceed.
Chairman, number two.
You said there were three things.
Yeah.
I'm still allowing you to, but remember our 10 minutes is spent.
Number two, Chairman. Number two, the fact that we brought in the documents and we submitted the committee. Chair, we were ready to continue with the report, as it were. But Chairman, again, the fact that there was that ruling is what we were taking precaution of, so that we don't offend the Constitution, as it were, and it has been cleared by the courts. Tomorrow we don't find ourselves as a county, at the Senate. Always I'm ready, Mr. Chairman, as I've said. Only precautionary, we were taking caution.
Governor, are you ready? Are you ready to proceed?
I'm ready, Chairman.
Are you still maintaining your preliminary objection?
I am, because, Chairman, I believe if the Constitution is being abused.
You can't have it both ways. You are either holding on to objection or you are saying you have abandoned it and we can proceed. Vice Chair.
My brother, Governor Arati, and I used to normally play for you when we were taking lunch that you become the governor.